Welcome to LSX Hunter. Today we're taking a look at restoring a piece of Pontiac history with this 4-barrel intake I got off of Park by years ago. So we're taking a look at what this thing actually is first. We're going to do that by looking between the thermostat housing and the carburetor's number printed right here. That stamp number is going to be indicating it's a 1968 Pontiac, 400, 350. Could have been a lot of things in this year. This is a pretty widely used part number. What we see here next to the thermostat housing, we have C278, C March, date 27th, 8 is the year. So we know, again, this is a 68 Pontiac 400. It came off of 400. This particular one did, but we know that based off of the numbers. So let's go ahead and get this thing stripped down. There's still a few odds and ends left on this thing. We're gonna go ahead and soak it, pull those out, get this thing in the blast cabinet, and see how it looks afterwards. As you can see, the aluminum oxide does an amazing job of removing all the rust without damaging the metal. It's a great method if you're looking to restore parts quickly and efficiently. Now, when applying your primer, make sure to use light, even coats. It's better to do multiple thin coats than just one heavy one that's going to run on you. All right, well, the intake's all wrapped up. Now, at this point, we've got that thing primed. I've gone through, removed a bunch of the flashing, the sharp points, cleaned up the intake runners. Those were just nasty. The thing really is in pretty good shape. So, that being said, let's get this thing out the door, make some money, and build something else. Head over to lsxhunter.com if you're interested in grabbing this piece for your project. And don't forget, all profits from this sale go directly into funding this channel and our next build. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more restoration projects like this. Thanks guys, have a great one, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.